Hey, I'm Shanil and today I'm going to show you how to make a bullet time video. So grab your ONE X2 and bullet time string and let's get started. Find an area with plenty of space, mount the ONE X2 on the bullet time string, switch to bullet time video mode and press record. Stretch the bullet time string, grab the handle and pinch the string with your fingers, lift the ONE X2 and the bullet time string above your head and swing the handle in a circle 5 times of 1 full rotation per second, then carefully bring the ONE X2 down and stop recording. To edit the bullet time video, the first thing you need to do is trim the part of the video you want to keep. Next, add speed to the part of the video you want to speed up or slow down. Play back the video to see the results, and when you're happy with the shot, hit export and the video will be saved to your phone album, ready to upload onto social media. And just like that, you can create Matrix-like videos to impress your friends and family. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.